I'm just going to open the box. Take the plastic on top. Straight heat. You see the colorway right there. This is the shoe in depth. You see it's suede with the air raid almost like right there. It's a suede shoe, so you might have to be careful. But I mean, it's black and it's smooth suede, so it'll be alright. As long as you take good care of your shoes. On the left shoe, it say "Dream Together." And on the right shoe, it say "Fly Together." So if you were to read it from left to right, it'll say "Dream Together, Fly Together." What's so cool, but I like the tongue on this shoe. Different colors. And I'm gonna do a on feet review soon. Not the whole shoe is suede, as you can see. This is like the suede right here, and I guess you could call this like mesh. You got the straps going around. As again, this is the Jordan 8 Tinkers Air Raid. The bottom of the shoe is pretty cool. The orange, purple, green, red, purple Jumpman symbol.